Hello there! On this video I'm gonna show you how I decorate my digital planner using the app Notability. The theme for my planner is a little bit girly with a touch of pastel colors and some flowers around the pages. Every year, I try to choose a very inspirational quote from one of my favorite books. This year or last year, I've been reading to Nicholas Sparks' books, and I fell in love with the book 3 Weeks with My Brother. My digital planner resembles the same things I used to add on my paper planner. I love the mixture of colors and lettering. I love trying to find different styles in my lettering, trying to create something unique and beautiful. And that's something that I fell in love with digital. Even if I make a small mistake, I'm able to just redo it or fix it really quick. For the key of my planner, I try to keep it very simple and minimalistic. I want to be able to quickly remember what symbols I use for my appointments and what symbols I use for my events, and every page needs to have a little bit of color. I added the leaves beside the word key to give the page a more simple but still a very cute touch. For this page, I wasn't sure how I wanted to draw my daily to-dos. I kept it as simple as possible. On the left page, I'm going to keep or write all my blogs to-dos, and on the right page, I want to keep all my personal to-dos. I love creating and using digital stickers like the ones you see on this page. They make the page look elegant and simple and clean. You can learn more about these digital stickers in the description box. If you're wondering, digital stickers are pretty much a PNG image with a transparent background. You can place the stickers over any image or any picture and you won't see the white background. My favorite quotes page is probably the most colorful page I have in the whole notebook. I try to draw or try to write every month quote in a different color. And last year I did that, and both page looks so beautiful, and I'm probably going to repeat it again this year. For the books I'm currently reading, I'm pretty much just taking a screenshot of one of my blog's printables and paste it as an image in the one of the pages. And I just wanted to have a pretty image on the left page, and I'm going to write the name of the book and the author on the right page. For the movies or shows I'm watching, I'm trying to interchange the printables. On the previous page I put it on the left, and on this page I'm putting it on the right, and I'm just writing a cute title on top, and I'm probably going to put all the shows that I'm watching on the left page. For the month of January, I just usually like having a pretty letter that says the month with the year, and below it I put the calendar. On the right page I usually write memories or highlights that I thought were amazing for that current month. On this page, I'm drawing the whole calendar for the month of January. I usually try to put from Monday to Friday on the left page and Saturday and Sunday on the right page. For the calendar of January, I want to mix the colors purple, black, and pink. I'm blending the black boxes with some of the purple color, and I'm also highlighting the word of the month with the purple, pink, and a little bit of white dots all over the lettering. For my weekly to-dos, I want the letters to stand out by themselves, so I just added a little bit of flowers with pink and purple all over the page, just to give it a little bit of color. That's it, I finished decorating my digital planner. I'm finishing writing and putting little touches of where everything is on every page. Every month I try to use different colors and different designs to make the pages look different and stand out. Here is a final overview of the planner. Every number of the index of this planner is hyperlinked, which means that if I click on the page, it will take me exactly to that page that you see in the preview. At the bottom of every page, I included an index, which means that if I click on the bottom right, it will take me back to the index of that specific page.